This is a great opportunity for anyone who has a spare hour or two to spend each day helping out with some easy tasks. Start making money today by downloading apps and installing them on your smartphone. In this video, I'll show you how you can make money by downloading and installing apps. The apps will pay you to install them on your phone or tablet. Watch to see the easy steps to get started. So, watch the video all through, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. Installing apps can be a great way to make money. And it's not even difficult. With a smartphone, you can make money in your spare time with this app. It is called AppKarma. AppKarma lets you earn PayPal cash and gift cards when you complete offers, play with apps, watch videos, invite friends, etc. You can redeem your points and receive gift cards from the app. You can earn rewards by completing app offers, installing apps, and meeting the offer's requirements. To earn rewards, select an offer, install the app, meet the offer requirements, and receive the reward. Important note, you will not be rewarded for installing apps you have previously installed on your device. Don't delete the app before you reach the offer requirement. Open up the app immediately after it is done installing. Another common reason why users do not get credited is that they open up the app much later after they've installed it. This could cause the reward track to be lost. Follow the offer requirement. Even if the offer requirement states, install and play, many advertisers will require some level of engagement in the app before they issue you rewards. Higher reward offers usually require this. If it's a game, you should try to complete the tutorial or advance a few stages in the game. If the app lets you create an account, you should create an account and browse around. If you are in the process of completing multiple offers, you can view which apps you've installed, the offer requirements, and the offer points on the in-progress page. When you reach the offer requirement, check back into AppKarma to get your reward. It could take up to 24 hours for rewards to be issued. If you are not getting rewarded, you can apply for missing rewards. Earning scratch cards by completing Karma plays. Scratch cards are bonus prizes that are revealed after you scratch them. The more images you match, the more you earn. Each card also contains a multiplier that can boost your bonus points. All you have to do is collect the scratcher from the Daily Rewards button. By default, you will receive a single level 1 scratch card each day you check in. However, you have a chance to receive upgraded scratch cards if you reach the target number of points for the day. Also, you can earn by referring people to AppKarma. You can even become a VIP and earn a lot more. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.